Okay, good morning, my dear students. This is the module 2 of Rizal, biography of Jose Rizal. Okay, so in this module, we're gonna discuss about the life or the whole life of Rizal. Yet, in this module, just a shallow part, because this concept shall be reintroduced once again in the later part of other modules or in the other modules. Okay, so Jose Protagio Rizal Mercado y Alonso Rialonda, yes, Spanish pronunciation, born in June 19, 1861, and died December 30, 1896. So by the age of 35, yes, uh, Rizal died in Bagumbayan. Was a Filipino nationalist and polymath during the tail end of the Spanish colonial. The meaning of polymath is the man with many talents. So, si Rizal daw isang polymath, therefore marami daw siyang talent. Yes, Spanish colonial period of the Philippines. He is considered the national hero, pambansang bayani ng Pilipinas, an ophthalmologist by profession. Ophthalmologist by profession, Rizal became a writer and a key member of the Filipino propaganda movement which advocated political reforms for the colony under Spain. So according to this, pambansang bayani, oo, which is pinili ng mga American by the Taft Commission and also naging propagandista together with Jaina and Marcelo H. Del Pilar. Yes. He was executed by the Spanish colonial government for the crime of rebellion under the Philippine Revolution, inspired in part by which writing broke out. Though he was not actively involved in Spanish conduct, he ultimately approved of his goal which eventually led to Philippine independence. Okay, namatay daw si Rizal ba? Ay, or pinamatay siya because of rebellion. Kasi nga, because of his writings, pagbintangan siyang nag-aalsa or nagbabalak ng rebellion kasi nga ang daming na-motivate. And in the same time, nung nasa dapitan siya, pumunta siya ng Manila. Tapos nung saktong pagpunta niya naman ng Manila, natagalan siya doon. And yun, nagkaroon ng sigaw sa Pugat Lawin. Tapos sakto si Rizal din nasa Manila. So, the Spaniards thought that, yes, meron siyang something na ginawa, no? Isa siya sa mga involved doon sa creation of, or the creation rather of Katipunan. Okay. Hmm. So Rizal was born in 1861 to Francisco Rizal Mercado Alejandro and Chidora Alonso de Londa y Quintas in the town of Calambay, Laguna province. He had 9 sisters and 1 brother. His parents were leaseholder of a hacienda and occupying rice farm by the Dominicans. Both of their families had adopted the additional surnames of Rizal and de Londa in 1849 after Governor Narciso Clavera Isaldoa decreed the adoption of Spanish surnames along with the usefulness for census purposes. Okay. So, si Rizal, yes, and they are originally a Chinese, no? Meron silang bloodline sa Chinese. And their surname is Lamco. Ngayon, nagkaroon ng kautusan si Governor General Claveria na palitan yung mga apelyido ng mga Pilipino sa Spanish. For what reason? Siyempre, for easier government transaction and also for taxes. So, Rizal or the Mercado Relonda adopted the Rizal, which the meaning of that is racial or the green pigment of ice pill. Yes. Mm. So 11 silang magkakapatid. Always remember the 7-11. 11 na magkakapatid, pang 7 si Rizal. So, yes. Una is si Saturnina Pasiano, Narcisa, si Narcisa, Olympia, Trinidad, tapos Lucia, then Maria, Jose, Concepcion, Josefa, Trinidad, and Soledad. Oo, yan yung 11 na kapatid ni Jose Rizal. Well, gumamit ako ng mnemonics para maalala ko yan. I'm gonna share the mnemonics onto you on face-to-face discussion. Okay? Okay, early life of Rizal, like many families in the Philippines, the Rizal were of mestizo origin. Except paternal lineage could be tracked by Frida China through this father's ancestor, Lapko. So, meron silang lahing Chinese. Well, the Mercado really suits their name. Ay, kasi knowing that Chinese is a merchant and businessman, and the meaning of Mercado is tindahan. And you know that time, Rizal family, they are holding or leasing a rice fields. No, meron silang mga pananim, meron silang lupain na, yes, nililis or yes, nire-rent. They rent a farm to the Dominicans. Mm-mm. And also yung father niya, si Francisco, ay naging, yes, gobernador sila, if I'm not mistaken. Yes, his mother lineage can be traced to the Florentina family of the Chinese mestizo family, so originating in Bulacan. Also, the Spanish ancestry region of Ochoa, a grandmother of his mother. Theodora had mixed Spanish, Chinese, and Tagalog blood. His grandfather was a half Spanish engineer. Yes, so upon reading this, we can conclude that Jose Rizal is a mestizo also, or a Creole. So therefore, no wonder why Rizal can speak less than or more than 22 languages. Yes. Kasi nga, nasa dugo niya. O, diba? May dugo siyang Chinese, may dugong Japanese, at kung ano-ano pa. May dugong ganito ganyan, may dugong Spanish. Imagine that. Siguro kaya nasa dugo ni Rizal ang pagiging traveler. Able to read, able to speak different languages. Kasi nga, may lahi siyang mga ganun. Nasa blood. Ang pagiging, yan, lagalag. Okay, early life of Rizal, he learned the alphabet from his mother at 3 years old and could read and write at age 5. Upon enrolling at the Ateneo Municipal in Manila, he dropped the last 3 names that made up his full name on the advice of his father Pasiano and the Mercado family, thus rendering his name as Jose Rizal of this. He later wrote, "My family never paid much attention to our second surname result, but now I had to use it, thus giving me the appearance of an illegitimate child. This was unable him to travel freely, and this associated him from his brother who had gained notoriety with this earlier link to Filipino priest, Mariano Gomez." So, ganito kasi yan. So, okay. Rizal learned how to write and read at the age of 5. Yet he learned the alphabet at the age of 3. Kasi siguro nun wala pang cellphone. Yes. So, si Pasiano, si Kuya Pasiano, ang nag-iisa niyang kuya is kaklase niya yung isang Gomburesa. That's why itong si Rizal, through his Kuya Pasiano, nalalaman niya yung Cavite Mutiny. Tapos yung pag-execute sa Gomburesa. So, yan. Okay? Okay. Despite the name change, Jose as Rizal soon distinguished himself in poetry writing honors of present his professional impressing his professors with his facility with Castilian and other foreign languages. Later in writing essay, they were critical to the Spanish historical account of pre-colonial Philippine society. So, you know what? From the from the previous slide, it says that Rizal cannot move freely because Rizal, surname is anti-government. Remember that it is an anti-government. Lumalabas yan sa codex. So at the young age of Rizal, he discovered that he has talent when it comes to poem. And sumasali siya sa mga contest. That's why meron nga siyang sinalihan, The Shining, yung Ala Juventud Pilipina, yung naging kanyang shining. Yes, yes, he showcased his talent and with this veteran or veteran, rather, veteran, yes, speaker, yes. Ala, Ala Juventud. Indeed, by 1891, the year he finished, so Desmonte's second showing had come. So well known that this, as he writes to another friend, all my family now carry the name itself instead of Berkal because the name itself means persecution. Would I do want to join them and be working? So yes, uh, when Rizal finished dahil Filipos Teresmo, biglang nag-boom yung pangalang Rizal, no? Kasi nga, nalaman na siya yung excellent nun. So therefore, Rizal became an anti-government and also an anti-church. Zalfer studied under Watiniano Aquino Cruz in Binyan, Laguna before he was sent to Manila. As to his father's request, he took the extra examination in Leo de San Juan de Letras, but they then enrolled at the Ateneo Municipal de Manila and graduated as one of the 9 students in the class declared sobresaliente or outstanding. So, yung unang naging teacher ni Rizal sa Binyan is si Bastiliano Aquino Cruz. Well, well, sa kanyang school, yes, graduate siya as sobresaliente. Pero hindi ibig sabihin nito na siya yung pinakamatiling no, kasi nga 9 sila. 9 silang graduate ng sobresaliente. So, nung kabataan ni Rizal, sickly siya, no? Sickly and fail. So, patpatin tapos sakitin. And also, yes, Rizal was born with, uh, parang ang laki ng ulo niya, oo. Hindi yung, physical na malaki yung ulo niya. That's why his mother was praying, dadasal yung mother niya nung niluluwal siya na sana ma-survive daw nila kasi masyadong malaki yung ulo ni Rizal. Siguro maybe that time is, pag malaki siguro talaga ang ulo is matalino. Mas malaking space sa utak. That's why, promise of his mother is if they successfully survive the pregnancy, yung pagluluwal kay Rizal, then susunod daw yung pangalan ni Rizal kay Saint Joseph, kaya nga naging Jose. And also, si Rizal is kakaroon ng travel sa church. Kaya nagkaroon sila ng pilgrim, no? Pumunta si Rizal sa simbahan. Yes, sa Antipolo. Okay? Continued education at the Ateneo Municipal de Manila to obtain a land survey on a successor degree at the same time at the University of Santo Tomas, where he did take up the preparatory course in law and finished with a mark excellence or excellent. Yes. And we're gonna discuss that in the later discussion. Mga personal life. Well, pipiliin lang natin yung discuss because, yes, it is very, very, uh, it is very, very okay. Let's move to another module, which is, yes, to cover everything that we have to cover. Okay. Let's move to another module, which is the module. And so, I guess si Protasio Rizal was born June 19, 1861, near midnight at Calamba, Laguna, after painful and difficult labor of the part of his mother. Yan, like what I've said a while ago, to use his own word into the valley, years, he was the seventh child of in a family of 11 children, two boys and nine girls. So, two boys pero isa lang ang kuya ni Rizal. Which is, yung kuya niya naging father figure niya. Naging father figure niya kasi si Papa ni Rizal, si Francisco ay laging nasa trabaho. Laging nasa bukid. Oo. And also, if I'm not mistaken, gobernador sila before ang kanyang tatay. If not his tatay, his lolo. Laging busy kaya si Kuya Pasiano yung naging father figure niya. So, he was baptized 3 days after his birth in Catholic Church. Imagine that, tatlong araw pa lang bininyagan na. Ay, Rufino Collantes. Ganito yan. Lumalabas to sa board exam. So, sino ang nagbinyag sa kanya? Collantes. Rufino Collantes. Tunog Espanyol. Tunog Espanyol. Rufino Collantes, isipin nyo na lang. Nung panahon ni Rizal, yung mga pare ay Espanyol. O, ba? Tapos ang kanyang ninong ay si Pedro Casañas. So, tunog. Tunog Pilipino. Pedro Casañas. As his sponsor, he was named Jose. As his sponsor, he was named Jose. His nickname was Pepe by his mother in honor to the Christian Saint Joseph, San Jose. Sinunod sa kanya. Kasi nga, habang nagle-labor, habang niluluwal siya, nangako yung mother niya na once they survive, ipapangalan kay Saint Joseph. So, yun na, na-survive. His father, Francisco Mercado Rizal, was the youngest of 13 offspring, So, yung bunso, sa Juan at ni Cirilla Mercado. He was born in Binyan, Laguna on May 11, 1819. He was educated farmer having studied Latin and philosophy of the Catholics of San Jose and Manila. He was quite serious, frugal man, taller than the average Filipino with a problem with the dark eye. Yes. Frugal, I'm not mistaken, frugal, which means kuripot. Which is naman nila sa si Rizal is meron siyang practice kung saan just bumababa siya para makatipid. We're gonna discuss that sa live life na ni Rizal. Si Rizal affectionately called him a model of fathers. He died in Manila on January 5, 1890. His mother, Chidora Alonso, was the second child of Lorenzo Alonso and Brigada de Quintos. She studied at the Colegio de Santa Rosa, a business-minded and well-read woman. She was courteous, religious, and working. She was born in Santa Cruz, Manila on November 8, 1826 and died in Manila on August 16, 1911. Yes. So, pero 8-year gap kanilang mga magandang. And the Mercado Rizal was fled with ang ginamit ko mnemonic dyan is ba't ako ba isulat? Ginamit ako mnemonic dito dati. Dito lang yan. I need space. Sa card na. Sa sa face-to-face. Mas madali. Sa Toknina, dahil married Manuel Timoteo Hidalgo of Tanawan, Batangas. Pasiano he was the only brother of Jose. Studied at San Jose College in Manila. He became a farmer and later a general of public to the revolution. He had two children by his mistress, Verena Giselle. So itong si Kuya Pasiano, nung namatay si Jose Rizal, naging katipunero. So, si Narcisa, si Marion Antonio Lopez, Borong. Borong is a former name of Rizal, yung province na Rizal. Morong ang tawag doon dati, kaso naging pinangalan ng Rizal. a teacher and a musician. Olympia, she married Sylvester Ubaldo. She died in 1887 from childbirth. Okay. Lucia, 1857 to 1945. She married Mariana Herbosa of Calamba. Maria, she married Daniel Faustino Cruz of Binyan, Laguna. So sila yung medyo matagal-tagal yung buhay. And Jose, the greatest Filipino hero, also known as the greatest hero of Malayan race. The guy who could speak 22 languages more than or less 22 languages. The greatest Filipino hero and fearless strangers lived with Joseph Luzraken, a pretty Irish from Hong Kong trained. His excellent athlete, and he had a son by her, but this baby boy died a few hours after birth. This out name. Yes. You know what? May rumors na kung bakit namatay yung anak dapat ni Rizal. Kasi nga, itong si Josephine Bracken, nagbubuntis. Kabanan niya na malapit na ng mga anak na. Kaso itong si Rizal, binulat niya yung asawa niya. Binulat yung asawa niya na nung nagulat, nadulas, diba? Parang ganun, out of balance. Kasi alam niyo naman yung bahay noon is kubo. Kubo tapos may hagdan na kahoy. Parang bamboo. Diba? Ganun. Yung kubo nun is may elevation. Ganun yung mga bahay noon. Eh, nagulat lang. Naglag sa hagdan ng kubo. Yun, tinugo. Tapos, nanganak. O, di na umabot no. 3 few hours lang, 3 hours namatay. Conception, yes. Pinangalanan niya yung anak niyang Francisco. Sinunod niya sa kanyang tatay. Conception, 1865. And died 1865 also. What? She died born 1865 and died 1865. Well, there's something wrong with this. It should be 60. Yes. It should be 1862 and died 865. Josefa. So, Concepcion is also known, malabas to sa let, the first sorrow of Jose Rizal. Bakit? Kasi ito yung nakababatang kapatid ni Jose Rizal. Kalaro niya to, naalagaan niya. Tapos, yun nga, matay. Doon siya unang umiyak. First sorrow niya. Doon siya unang nakaranas ng lungkot. Okay, Josefa. Yes, so itong si Josefa, she was an epileptic and died an old age. So yes. So Josefa is epileptic. Oo. Namatay din siya noon. Matanda. May Trinidad. She died as a spinster and the last of the family to die. Pag sinabing sprinter, he died as oo, walang asawa. Oo, wala siyang asawa. Tayo siya ng walang asawa. So therefore, virgin. Okay, solid. 1817, 1929, she married Pantheon Quintero. Salamba. So imagine that. Ang dami-daming ni Teodora Alonso. However, pagdating kay Rizal, nahihirapan siya mga di ba dapat kapag lagi ka nang nangatid, sanay ka na. So, yun nga, kasi ang laki ng ulo ni Rizal. Kung malaki daw yung ulo is matalino. And, so, the family was highly esteemed and respected in the community because of wealth, culture, hospitality, and sincere warmth. They participated in all of social religious activities in Calamba for a noble cause. So, kilala daw ang Rizal sa kanilang lugar. Because of wealth. So, therefore, hindi totoo yung mga paniniwala na mahirap si Rizal. Yung natutunan nyo sa elementary, no. Rizal came from rich people. They are rich, no? They came from rich families. Mga negosyante. Mga negosyante sila. Yung papa niya merong lupa, no, na sinasakas. Meron siya ng palayan. Well, yun nga. They came from Lamco. Lamco Pictures. Yes. The Chapis. Dahil nga mayaman si Rizal nakapag-aral siya abroad. Imagine, nag-move on siya abroad. Oh, nag-broken kay Leonora Rivera. Kay Leonor, na-broken kay Leonor, nag-move on abroad kayo. Pag na-broken kayo, saan kayo move on? O pang SM lang kayo, si Rizal pang abroad. That's why you can magnify it, or you can conclude that Rizal came from really rich people, rich family. Rizal was a mixed racial origin, Spain powered the Republic of both East and West, Chinese, Japanese, Malay, and Spanish. Rizal is a greatest Malayan hero lumalabas sa exam. Yes. So, yan ang buhay ni Rizal. So, Rizal, maternal ancestor was Lacantulan, past Malayan king of Tondo. His maternal great-great-great grandfather was Eugenio Ursula, who was of Japanese blood and ancestry. So, sabi dito, yung ano daw, maternal ancestor daw ni Rizal is si Lakandula. Siya yung hari ng Tondo noon, yung dato ng Tondo or rahan ng Tondo nung dumating si Miguel Lopez de Legaz. So, by that, we can conclude that Rizal, Rizal is really has a bloodline being a leader. Sa dugo talaga ni Rizal ang pagiging leader at bayan. Yes, that concludes our discussion for module 2. So, yes, gain knowledge. I think we really met our objectives. Gain knowledge about the birth of the hero races family and background. That's it. Okay. Thank you for listening. Bye bye.